Hello everyone, Mr. Bethany here. I hope you're all doing well. We're doing just fine here, staying inside mostly, but going for walks occasionally and trying to stay active and exercise. This video is mainly for the young men in our academy, but the young women are welcome to watch this and take part however you want as well, of course. This is a push-up video, so gentlemen, we need to stay strong for partnering. Right? And we need to find fun ways to do that while we're indoors, so that it doesn't seem monotonous and it doesn't seem like a chore, but it's actually entertaining. One of the ways I like to do that is by doing push-ups to music, right? So I'm going to show you a routine I came up with, and you can do this to any music you like and choreograph your own routine, or just do 20 push-ups to a tempo, whatever you think. And then after I do that, I'm going to show you one other way to make push-ups more fun. So here we go. Let's see how this goes. Whew. Okay, great. So you can see how you do it to music, you get about 2 minutes of push-ups done before you know it, right? Whew. Good. So one more option you have, and you all might be familiar with this, those of you that have taken my men's conditioning classes, is to do card push-ups, right? So how does this work? Well, first we shuffle them, making sure that we don't know what card is on top, right? So give them a good shuffle. And then what we do, well, actually before I do the shuffle, I guess I should tell you how this works. Whatever card you pick up, that's how many push-ups you do, right? So if you pick up a 2, you do 2 push-ups, okay? You pick up a 6, you do 6 push-ups, okay. And I like to make it a little harder than that. You can just do numbers. You can also do suits, add a difficulty with changing the push-ups depending on the suit. So if I pick up a diamond, then I have to do diamond push-ups, which are these guys. Hands together, make a triangle or diamond shape. Your elbows go diagonally out like that. You should know those, all right? And if you pick up a club, I like to just do chest push-ups. That's 90 degree or so widespread. Yeah, so hands are wide enough that when you go down, your arms make a nice 90 degree angle, right? And then hearts, I like to do tricep push-ups. So for those, your hands are directly underneath your shoulders and your elbows are going straight back, right? And then your spades is your wild card. You can choose what you want it to be. Today, spades are going to be pulses for me. They can also be claps. Doesn't matter. For me, a pulse is just you do an extra pulse during each push-up. So instead of just one push-up, I go pulse, up, pulse, up. Right, so that adds an extra little push-up in the middle there. So I usually do 10 cards at least, but that's usually when I haven't done push-ups to music beforehand. So today we'll just do like 5. And you have to do whatever card you pick up. And you just do as many as you can, right? So, or pick a number, do 10, doesn't matter. You have 2 through 10. Jack is 11 push-ups, Queen is 12 push-ups, King is 13, and I make Ace 14. There's no 1. Ace isn't 1, okay? So my first card is a 2 of spades. Pretty easy, yeah? So, those are the pulses, right? So we just do 2 of those. 1 and 2. That's that. And then 5 of hearts is my next card. All right, so those are my tricep push-ups, right? Hands underneath the shoulders there. We just go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Next card, 2 of clubs. It's nice they're staying low right now, but at least you're seeing the variety here. So widespread. You can either have your hands, fingers facing forward or out to the side, either way. I'll move back a little bit so you can see that. So if we do it that way, we do 2 push-ups there. Good. And then another spade. Fun times. 7 pulses. It's not going to be fun. 1. You can do this with me if you want, since you're watching. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be my last card. I'm just going to make sure it's a diamond for you, so you can see that. And luckily, the first diamond I came across was also a 2. So 2 of diamonds. Now remember, I'll back up a little bit so you can see these. Hands are together here, making a diamond shape or a triangle, and your elbows just want to go diagonally, in the same diagonal that your wrist is already in. Right? We just go down and up that way. Good. And we do 2 of those. So that's that. Just another way to keep push-ups fun and not monotonous. Yeah, so be ready for more workout videos. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Take care.